Hey, do you want to learn how to use Veo 3 in Canva AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So over here, I'm on canva.com and you can access Veo 3, the Canva AI, by going over to canva.com/AI, either typing it here on the URL, this URL over here, or you can click on Canva AI on the left hand side, or on the right hand side. If you're on the home page of canva.com, you can click here on Canva AI to access it. Now you need to type a prompt here, and I'm going to show you how to find the prompt. If you're not sure what to type, I'm going to show you how to do it with ChatGPT. And here you need to select create a video clip. It should be like this. You just need to select create a video clip here, and then you'll be able to create a video clip with the prompt. And this is how you can access Veo 3 in Canva AI. Now for the prompt, I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, and this is a very simple prompt that I've typed in here. Create a video blog prompt for Veo 3, include characters. You can specify what characters that you want and also the characteristics of each of them. So this is for White Yeti and this is for Noah. You can also specify the setting where they would be in. This has generated a random setting here, but you can specify where you want both of these characters to be situated in when they generate these prompts. At the end, I've typed in make a story arc in 2 prompts. Each prompt will be a single line so that it creates a single line prompt like this and not add like line break and such. So it just makes a single line prompt. You just need to press on the submit button in order to make these prompts here. It's going to specify the settings, the characters, the prompt 1, prompt 2. Just copy it from here like this, go to Canva AI and paste it. I did make some edits to it, so if you want, you can also do it. If you do not want it to say this line over here, you want to say something, if you want it to say something else, you can do that. Same for this. These in the quotes, you can change the line and it's going to say it in the video. So I'm going to show you how it works actually. So just going to remove it from here. I've already made those 2 videos, so I'm going to show it in the recent chats. And over here, these are the 2 videos that I've created and the prompts. So let's check out the first one. I'm going to click here. You can download the video that is generated by clicking on this download button. There's also one over here. And if you want to use it in your Canva editor, you can also click here to take it over to your Canva editor in your designs or video. So let's take a look at this first video. I'm going to press on play.
All right, crew, meet Nova, the coolest tracker in the tundra!
Let's go find that frozen anomaly before it finds us.
Okay, that sounds amazing, right? All right. This is the second prompt that I've added. I did change a few things, but yeah, this is what it is. And one thing I did not like about this is that in it kind of changed the fox gender. So it just made it a female fox. In the first one, it was a male fox. And it also kind of changed the Yeti voice, made it a bit childish. So maybe you need to specify the voice type and the gender as well in the prompt. So let's take a look at the second prompt here, the second video. I'm going to press on play.
This thing's not natural.
Nope, vlog over!
All right, and on the bottom you can see the subtitle is very clear. Like if you go over to gemini.google.com, you'll find that it kind of makes the subtitle very glitchy, right? If you've used it before on it to access it, like on Veo 3 on gemini.google.com, you'd find that it's very glitchy. So here I'm liking that it added the subtitle and it's very clear. Also, one more thing that I would like to discuss is that you would not be able to generate more than 5 videos per month with Canva AI Pro. So with the Canva Pro plan, you would only be able to generate 5 videos 5 Veo 3 videos. So it says you have reached your video limit for this month and you'll be able to create more videos on August 1st. I've already made like 5 of these this month, so I would not be able to do it. And this basically means that, let's say on August 1st, I spend like 5 of these credits, and that's it. I will not be able to generate more videos in August, and I would need to wait till September. That's what it is. So yeah, and that's it. That's how to use Veo 3 in Canva AI. I hope this video helped solve your problem. If it did, let me know with the like and comment, and on the right hand side you can find more Canva AI and Veo 3 related tutorials. So see you there, and bye for now.